Hi, my name is Imad Alarnab. This is the Great British Chef's signature series. I always wanted to be a restaurateur, and this is what happened in Syria. I built 3 restaurants between 1999 and 2009, then lost it all in 2013 because of the war. It was all bombed. I lost it all, but lucky me, all of my family were okay. And here we are, we're building it again, but now in London. Hi, this is Imad Alarnab, and this is Imad Syrian Kitchen in Kingly Court, Carnaby Street. Today we are making the Sharhat ghanam, which is the homey version of shawarma lamb. It's very simple to do and remind me of my home and how we used to. My mother used to say everything at home is much better than outside. So yeah, she used to comfort us with her version of shawarma, which I love it so much. So we're gonna start with the marination first. It's a bit of yogurt and an Aleppo Urfa peppers marinated in olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and basically that's it. With the yogurt and Urfa, we're gonna have slightly bit of black pepper, 7 spices, cardamom, and salt. That's all for the marination. Of course, we're gonna need a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. Mix it all together. I'm just gonna add a little bit of minced garlic, and that's it. It's all ready to go now. To be honest, what I'm looking for is to keep it very, very simple, because in Syria we are very careful choosing the right piece of the lamb. Don't over season it or something. Now we have a very nice tender piece of lamb neck. It's a little bit fatty, and for this dish it will take like 3 minutes maximum to cook. So this is why it's really nice. What you need to do is to cut it this way and make it really thin to look like this. So just slice it thin. So now we just need to marinate this lovely lamb neck. So it's really nice to keep it for 3 or 4 hours, but if you keep it marinated overnight, it will be even better. So we're gonna do the salad goes with the sandwich. It's basically red onion, spring onion, a little bit of chopped tomatoes. Don't stress about any kind of tomatoes, whatever you've got in there. And then we will have a little bit of sumac, salt of course, and pomegranate molasses. Again, we don't really need too much spices, not to cover the taste of the lamb. And finally some parsley, and this is what we call biwas. Biwas, usually it's a very simple salad, comes with barbecue, with sandwiches, and it's very simple. So we left this to marinate for a few hours now. And as we said before, if you leave it overnight, it will be even better. So basically, you need it to be on a very high heat. And basically, you're gonna fry the lamb for 2 or 3 minutes, and that's it. So you don't need to lose the juice from the meat. This is why you need to keep it on a very high heat. Place your salad on top. So we just opened the pita bread. We're just gonna plate it up like this. And now we're gonna have a little bit of tahini, a little bit on the side. Tahini sauce is basically tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and salt. That's it. Here we have sumac, chili flakes, and bon appetit. And this is my Sharhat ghanam.